This video tells you how to carry out trial and improvement methods in math investigation problems. Let's take an example. Stay tuned to find out the simplest explanation. Alright, here goes the question. Ava and Elsa take tennis balls from a bag of 21 balls without replacing them. On day 1, Ava takes 2 by 3 of the number of balls that Elsa take. On day 2, Ava takes half of the number of balls that Elsa takes. On day 3, the bag is empty. How many balls does Ava take? You can pause the video right here to work out on your own. Alright, let's table and record our trial. I have initialed the names A for Ava and E for Elsa. Now from the question, looks like on day 1, Ava takes 2 by 3 of the number of balls that Elsa takes. Which means if Elsa takes 3 balls, then Ava takes 2 balls. Alright? Now a total of 5 balls have been taken on day 1. So out of 21 balls, if 5 balls is taken on day 1 together, then the number of balls that is left on day 2 will be 16. Alright. Now let's look at the other keyword. Looks like on day 2, Ava takes half of the number of balls that Elsa takes. Alright. So if Elsa takes one whole unit, then Ava takes half of that unit, right? Other way around, if we consider Ava as 1 unit, then Elsa's will be 2 units, right? So there will be 3 equal parts or 3 units. So let's look in detail. So if Elsa's is 2 units, then Ava's will be 1 unit. Alright? In other words, we can say if Ava takes 1 unit or 1 ball, Elsa will take 2 balls. So the remaining balls left on day 2 should be divided into 3 equal parts. Only then on day 3 the bag will be empty. So need to make sure that the balls left on day 2 should be divisible by 3. Alright, so if not divisible by 3, then you should go for another trial. If it is divisible by 3, then that is the correct number of balls they took. So now back to the table. So the balls that is left on day 2 is 16, but 16 is divisible by 3? No, it's not divisible by 3. So we need to go for another trial. So we know that on day 1, Ava takes 2 by 3 of the balls. So if we find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3, it is 4 by 6, right? So which means if Elsa takes 6 balls, then Ava will take 4 balls. And the total balls that together they take will be 10 for day 1. And the number of balls that is left is 11 for day 2. And this 11 will be divided equally into 3 parts. So if you divide 11 by 3, then it's not divisible. So we should go for another trial. In the third trial, again we follow the same routine. On day 1, Ava takes 2 by 3 of the number of balls. So we can also find the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3, which is also 6 by 9. If Elsa takes 9 balls, then Ava will take 6 balls, right? And the total will be 15 balls for day 1. So out of the 21 balls, if you subtract 15 balls, then there will be 6 balls left for day 2. And is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. So this is the correct trial. So from this trial, we know that on day 1, Ava takes 6 balls and Elsa takes 9 balls. And the number of balls that is left for day 2 is 6 balls left. And when we look into detail, out of the 6 balls left for day 2, the 6 balls will be shared like this. Ava will take 2 balls and Elsa will take 4 balls. Alright. Now, day 1 and day 2 combined, we know Ava takes 6 balls in day 1 and 2 balls in day 2. So, which makes together 8 balls.